Hi guys, it's Red. In this lesson, we are going to explore a crucial topic that you need to understand because it's widely used, list comprehension, which is a concise way to create lists in Python. Let's get started. Lesson 17 hyphen list comprehension .py. Numbers equals square brackets x for x in range parentheses 5. Let's print parentheses numbers and run. And as you can see, we created a list from 0 to 4 using a for loop. Let's create another list. Squares equal square brackets x double asterisk 2 for x in range parentheses 5. New line, print parentheses squares and run. And as you can see, we get all the numbers from 0 to 4 raised to the power of 2. Double underscore even equals square brackets x multiplied by 2 for x in numbers if x module 2 double equals 0. New line, print parentheses double underscore even and run. And as you can see, we get the even numbers from 0 to 4 multiplied by 2. That's because with the if statement we check if the numbers in the list are even, and if they are, we multiply them by 2. Now let's create a matrix. Matrix equals square brackets numbers for x in range parentheses 3. New line, print parentheses matrix. And as you can see, we obtain a matrix with 3 lists from 0 to 4. Now let's recreate the same list showing the nested list comprehension. Matrix 2 equals square brackets x for x in range parentheses 5. Close the parentheses, close the square bracket for y in range parentheses 3. New line, print parentheses matrix 2. And we obtain the same result as before. Let's recap. Triple quotation mark. Lesson 17 hyphen list comprehension. In this lesson, we learned about this comprehension. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.